What if you could eat satisfying everyday foods that keep insulin low, control hunger, reduce inflammation, and directly target stubborn belly fat without starving, without extreme dieting, and without cutting enjoyment from your meals? In this video, I'm revealing 11 powerful foods that help your body stay in fat-burning mode for longer, stabilize blood sugar, and make belly fat loss finally feel achievable. These foods work with your metabolism, not against it. If belly fat has been the hardest fat to lose for you, stay with me, because consistency with these foods can completely change your results. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most effective and accessible foods for reducing belly fat because they contain virtually no carbs and no sugar, while providing high-quality protein and healthy fats that keep you full for hours. One of the biggest reasons belly fat is difficult to lose is constant hunger and frequent snacking, and eggs help solve this problem by significantly increasing satiety. When you feel satisfied after meals, you naturally eat fewer calories throughout the day, which supports gradual and sustainable fat loss. Eggs are also rich in complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids needed to preserve lean muscle mass. Maintaining muscle is critical during fat loss because muscle keeps your metabolism active and prevents it from slowing down. Eggs also provide choline, a key nutrient that supports liver function and fat metabolism. A well-functioning liver helps your body break down stored fat more efficiently, especially fat stored around the abdominal area. Another major benefit of eggs is their ability to keep blood sugar and insulin levels stable. Insulin is the hormone responsible for fat storage, and when insulin remains low, your body is allowed to burn fat instead of storing it. Because eggs do not spike blood sugar, they create the ideal hormonal environment for belly fat reduction, while supporting steady energy levels and better appetite control throughout the day. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most powerful foods for reducing belly fat because it contains no carbs and no sugar while delivering high-quality protein and healthy fats that support fat burning. One of the main reasons belly fat becomes stubborn is chronic inflammation, and salmon directly helps reduce this thanks to its rich omega-3 fatty acid content. By lowering inflammation in the body, salmon improves how your metabolism functions and makes it easier for your body to access stored fat for energy. Salmon is also extremely beneficial for hormone balance, particularly hormones related to stress and fat storage. High levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, are strongly linked to fat accumulation around the abdomen, and salmon helps regulate cortisol levels naturally. Its protein content also increases satiety, helping you feel full for longer periods and reducing overall calorie intake without triggering hunger or cravings. Another key benefit of salmon is its ability to stabilize blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Because salmon does not spike blood sugar, insulin levels remain low, allowing fat-burning processes to stay active. This stable metabolic environment supports consistent belly fat reduction while providing steady energy, improved recovery, and better overall metabolic health. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel and supports more content like this. Number 3. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most reliable and widely used foods for reducing belly fat because it delivers high-quality protein with virtually no carbs and no sugar. Protein plays a central role in appetite control, and chicken breast helps reduce constant hunger by keeping you satisfied after meals. When hunger is under control, it becomes much easier to avoid overeating and unnecessary snacking, which are major contributors to fat accumulation around the waist. Another powerful advantage of chicken breast is its role in protecting lean muscle mass during fat loss. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns calories even at rest. By supplying the body with sufficient protein, chicken breast helps preserve muscle while fat is being lost, preventing metabolic slowdown. This makes belly fat loss more efficient and sustainable, rather than short-lived. Chicken breast also supports stable blood sugar and insulin levels, which is critical for fat burning. When insulin remains low, the body is free to use stored fat as an energy source instead of storing new fat. Because chicken breast is easy to prepare, versatile, and naturally satisfying, it encourages consistency, and consistency is what ultimately leads to visible, long-term reduction in belly fat. Number 4. Lean beef. Lean beef is a powerful yet often underestimated food for reducing belly fat because it provides high-quality protein with virtually no carbs and no sugar while delivering key nutrients your metabolism depends on. Protein from lean beef helps control appetite by promoting fullness and reducing cravings, especially cravings for sugary and processed foods that contribute directly to abdominal fat gain. When meals are satisfying and nutrient-dense, it becomes much easier to maintain consistent eating habits that support fat loss. Another major advantage of lean beef is its role in supporting metabolic efficiency. Lean beef is rich in iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which are essential for oxygen transport, energy production, and proper hormone function. When these systems work efficiently, your body becomes better at converting stored fat into usable energy rather than holding onto it. This is particularly important for stubborn belly fat, which tends to resist fat loss when metabolism is underperforming. Lean beef also supports muscle maintenance and recovery, which is critical during fat loss. Muscle tissue keeps your metabolism active and prevents the slowdown that often occurs with dieting. Because lean beef does not spike blood sugar or insulin, it allows fat-burning processes to stay active throughout the day. When included regularly in balanced portions, lean beef helps create the metabolic conditions needed for steady, visible reduction in belly fat. Number 5. Tuna. Tuna is one of the most efficient foods for reducing belly fat because it delivers a high concentration of protein with virtually no carbs and no sugar, making it ideal for keeping blood sugar stable. One of the biggest challenges in fat loss is managing hunger without feeling deprived, and tuna excels at this by promoting long-lasting fullness. When appetite is controlled, it becomes much easier to reduce overall calorie intake without consciously restricting food. Beyond appetite control, tuna supports metabolic health by providing essential nutrients that help the body burn fat more effectively. It contains omega-3 fatty acids that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce low-grade inflammation, two factors closely linked to stubborn fat accumulation around the abdomen. When insulin response improves, the body is better able to access stored fat and use it as energy instead of storing more. Tuna also supports lean muscle maintenance, which is critical for sustainable fat loss. Preserving muscle keeps the metabolism active and prevents the slowdown often associated with dieting. Because tuna is light, easy to digest, and versatile, it fits effortlessly into daily meals, making consistency easier. And consistency is what ultimately leads to visible and lasting belly fat reduction. Number 6. Shrimp. Shrimp is an excellent food for reducing belly fat because it delivers high-quality protein with virtually no carbs and no sugar, while remaining very low in calories. This makes shrimp especially effective for people who want to feel full without overeating. By supporting satiety without adding excess calories, shrimp helps create the calorie balance needed for gradual fat loss, including stubborn fat around the waist. Another key benefit of shrimp is its contribution to metabolic efficiency. Shrimp is a natural source of iodine, a mineral essential for healthy thyroid function. The thyroid plays a major role in regulating metabolism, and when it functions properly, the body becomes more efficient at burning fat rather than storing it. Improved thyroid support helps prevent metabolic slowdown, which often makes belly fat difficult to lose. Shrimp is also light and easy to digest, which helps reduce bloating and water retention in the abdominal area. Its protein content supports muscle maintenance, while its minimal impact on blood sugar helps keep insulin levels stable. This combination creates an ideal environment for fat burning and supports a flatter, leaner appearance over time. Number 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most accessible and widely consumed fruits, and when eaten in moderation, they can support belly fat reduction despite being naturally sweet. What makes blueberries different from most fruits is their relatively low sugar load and their ability to deliver powerful antioxidants without causing sharp blood sugar spikes. This helps reduce the metabolic stress that often leads to fat storage around the abdomen. One of the standout benefits of blueberries is their high concentration of anthocyanins, antioxidants that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Poor insulin response and chronic inflammation are strongly associated with stubborn belly fat, and blueberries help address both at the same time. Their natural fiber content also slows digestion, promoting steadier energy levels and better appetite control throughout the day. Blueberries also play a supportive role in gut health, which is often overlooked in fat loss. A healthy digestive system reduces bloating, improves nutrient absorption, and enhances metabolic efficiency. By satisfying sweet cravings in a controlled way, blueberries help reduce reliance on refined sugars, making belly fat loss more realistic and sustainable over time. Number 8. Sardines. Sardines are a small but extremely powerful food for reducing belly fat because they deliver high-quality protein and healthy fats with virtually no carbs and no sugar. Despite their size, sardines are very filling, which helps control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake naturally. When meals are satisfying, it becomes much easier to avoid unnecessary snacking that contributes to fat accumulation around the abdomen. One of the biggest advantages of sardines is their high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, both of which play a major role in stubborn belly fat. When inflammation is lowered and insulin response improves, the body becomes more efficient at accessing stored fat and using it for energy rather than storing it around the waist. Sardines are also rich in essential micronutrients such as calcium, vitamin D, and selenium, which support metabolic and hormonal health. These nutrients help maintain strong muscle function and efficient energy use, preventing metabolic slowdown during fat loss. When included regularly in balanced portions, sardines support steady, sustainable belly fat reduction while providing long-lasting nutritional benefits. Number 9. Lamb. Lamb is a nutrient-dense protein source that can support belly fat reduction when consumed in lean cuts and balanced portions. It provides high-quality protein with virtually no carbs and no sugar, which helps control appetite and reduce frequent hunger. Feeling satisfied after meals is a key factor in fat loss, and lamb's rich, hearty nature makes it easier to avoid overeating and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Another important benefit of lamb is its role in supporting metabolic and hormonal health. Lamb is naturally rich in zinc and B vitamins, nutrients that are essential for energy production and proper hormone function. When these systems work efficiently, the body becomes better at converting stored fat into usable energy rather than storing it around the abdomen. This improved metabolic efficiency is especially helpful for reducing stubborn belly fat. Lamb also supports muscle maintenance, which is critical during fat loss. Preserving muscle helps keep metabolism active and prevents the slowdown that often makes fat loss harder over time. Because lamb has a minimal impact on blood sugar and insulin levels, it allows fat-burning processes to remain active, creating the right internal environment for steady and sustainable belly fat reduction. Number 10. Butter. Butter is a very common everyday food that can support belly fat reduction when used in moderation and as part of balanced meals. It contains virtually no carbs and no sugar, which means it does not spike blood sugar or insulin levels. Keeping insulin low is critical for fat loss because high insulin signals the body to store fat rather than burn it, especially around the abdomen. One of butter's key benefits is its ability to increase satiety. The natural fats in butter slow digestion and help you feel satisfied with smaller portions of food, reducing the urge to snack or overeat later. This appetite control plays a significant role in belly fat reduction, as consistent overeating, even in small amounts, often leads to fat accumulation around the waist. Butter also supports hormone production and steady energy levels. When energy is stable and cravings are reduced, it becomes much easier to stay consistent with healthy eating habits. Used sensibly, butter helps make meals more enjoyable and sustainable, which is essential for long-term fat loss and gradual reduction of stubborn belly fat. Number 11. Cheese. Hard cheeses are among the most commonly consumed foods worldwide and can support belly fat reduction when eaten in controlled portions. They contain virtually no carbs and no sugar, while providing a combination of protein and fat that helps control appetite. This combination slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer periods, making it easier to avoid overeating. Cheese is also a valuable source of calcium, a mineral that plays a role in fat metabolism and has been linked to reduced fat storage. Along with calcium, cheese provides protein that supports muscle maintenance, which helps keep metabolism active during fat loss. A stronger metabolism means your body burns more calories throughout the day, including calories from stored belly fat. Another important advantage of hard cheese is its minimal impact on blood sugar. Because it does not cause insulin spikes, it allows fat-burning processes to remain active rather than switching the body into fat storage mode. When consumed mindfully, cheese can be a practical, satisfying food that supports sustainable belly fat reduction without feeling restrictive. If you want to reduce belly fat without starving, without sugar crashes, and without extreme diets, start including these foods consistently. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple, science-based fat loss content that actually works.